Hello my dear students, welcome back to our video classes. Today we are going to learn one new chapter, factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. First I am going to explain multiples, after that we will learn factors. Okay. I am going to start with one small example, multiples. Multiples. See, you know table 3 and table 5. With table 3 and 5, I am going to take one small example to you. 3 5s are 15. 5 3 also 15. Okay, 1 15 is 15. 15 into 1 also 15. 15 into 1 also 15. Okay, to get the answer 15. To get the answer 15. What are the method we are following? What are the multiplications we are following? Look here. 3 5s are 15. Okay. 5 3s are 15. 1 5 is 50. So 1 15 is 15. 15 into 1 is 15. Answer is same. Answer is same. Okay. So here 1, 3, 5 and 15 can be multiplied by another number to give 15. Look here, 1, 3, 5 and 15 can be multiplied by another number. 5, 3, 15 and 1. So these numbers are multiplied by another number to get the answer 15. So we say that 15 is a multiple of, so this 15 is a multiple of 1, 3, 5 and 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. 15 is a multiple of 1, 3, 5 and 15. 3 5s are 15. We can say like this. 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. 15 is a multiple of 5 and 3. 15 is a multiple of 1 and 15. 15 is a multiple of 15 and 1. Okay. So 15 is a multiple of 1, 3 and 5 and 15. So like that more examples we can get. Next, this is one simple example. Some properties I am going to explain. After that you will understand everything. Okay. Properties of multiples. Properties of multiples. Properties of multiples. First one, every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. For example, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 24 into 1 is equal to 24. So every number is a multiple of itself. This is property number 1. Every number. So this 2 is a multiple of 2. Yeah, so every number is a multiple of itself. 3 multiple of itself. 24 multiple of itself. If you are taking any one number, not only this number 1456, multiply by 1, 1456. Okay, so every number is a multiple of itself. Property 2. And every number is a multiple of 1. Yes, same. 15 into 1 is equal to 15. Every number is a multiple of 1. 1 is also multiple of all numbers. So, two properties, this is important. Every number is a multiple of itself. Look here, 2, 2, 3, 3, 24, 24. And 1 is also a multiple of every number. Okay, property 3. A multiple of number is always greater than or equal to the number itself. Multiple of number is always greater than or equal. Okay, always greater than or equal. For example, take here 3 5s are 15. 3 5. 15 is greater than 3 and 5. 15 is greater than 3 and 5. Okay, so multiple of number is always greater. It should not be less. Understood? One more, or equal. Look here. 15 into 1 is equal to 15 or equal. Understood? Every number is greater than the multiples. Okay, otherwise equal, greater than 3, 15, multiples of 15 are 3 and 5. This 15 is greater than 3 and 5. Okay, and are equal, 15, 15. 15, 15, both are equal. Okay, next one. A number has uncountable number of multiples. Uncountable number of multiples. A number, for example, for with your understanding, I will take one small number 2. Table 2, you know. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 10 2s are 20, 11 2s are 22. Okay, so then 100 into 2, 1000 into 2, 1 lakh into 2. So there is no limit for multiples. It will go. Okay, uncountable numbers. Understood? We can say more numbers. Table 2, when you are learning 1 to 10, usually we are learning. Some students are learning 1 to 15, but more than that also we can learn. It will go. This is uncountable only. Okay, next. There is no largest multiple of a number. There is no largest number of a multiple of a number. For example, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, okay, 3 3s are 9. Which one is the largest number for table 3? Which one is the largest number of multiple of 3? Can I say 9? No. Next, see, 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15, like that it will go. So we cannot say any largest multiples. Largest number, there is no largest multiples of any number. Okay, so it will go like that only. Next, so look here, factors and multiples. First multiple, for getting this answer 15, two numbers we multiplied. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 1 15 is 15, 15 into 1 15. So 15 is a multiple of 3, 5, 1, 3, 5 and 15. Some properties also I explained. First property, what is first property? Every number is a multiple of itself and 1 is a multiple of all numbers. Multiples will be greater or equal. Okay, and there is no limit of multiples. Okay, next, odd and even numbers. Odd and even numbers. What is odd number? What is even number? You know the number system. Our number system: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like that it will go. Okay. So from here, from 1 to 12, I am going to explain what are the odd numbers are there, what are the even numbers are presented here. Okay, after that you will understand everything. Odd number. Odd number means first number 1. Okay, leave one number. 3, leave one number. 5, 7, 9, 11. Even number means, okay, even number means multiples of 2. Even number, multiples of 2. Look here, 2, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, like that it will go. So even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, okay, 10, like that even number go. It will go like this. Understood? Odd number means it is not even number, all numbers are odd number. Okay, for example, not only this, even number means this is a multiple of 2. Odd number means, okay, if it is not a multiple of 2, we can say odd number. And one more, even number I will explain. If check the last digit, for example, 1468, okay, and 34,564, 1,54,519. 3 numbers I wrote. Check the last digit. Last digit means ones place. What is the number in ones place? Ones place, here 8, here 4, here 9. Okay. Check the ones place. In this ones place, 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Okay. Are presented. That numbers are called even numbers. In the last ones place, in ones place, 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 are there. That numbers are called even number. That numbers are called even number because they are the multiples of 2. They are multiples of 2. If it is not there, look here, 9. This is odd number. Okay, so 1,54,519 is odd number. Last number, look, one more example, 157. Check last number, 7. So this is odd number. And 4,512. Check last number, 2. This is even number. So in ones place, last digit, in ones digit, in ones place, the number is 2. I mean the number is the multiple of 2. I mean 2, 4, 6 or 8 or 0. We can say that is even number. So this is odd number and even number. Okay. And next one. From your book exercise. Exercise 5.1. There is given what are the next 5 multiples of the following numbers. Next 5 multiples of following number. That is very easy. Four. Next 5 multiples of following number. Very easy. You know table 4 only. Table 4. I mean we can write like this. Always you have to use tables like this. Okay. 1, 4 is 4. 2, 4. This one given. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. Next 5 multiples. This is question. 4 is given. 4 is the question. What are the next 5 multiples of 4? Table 4 only. Table 4. Okay. Next 5 multiples of 8. Table 8. Next 5 multiples of 12. Table 12. Okay. And like this you can do everything. Next one. Next we are, this is multiples. Okay, this is very easy. Next we are going to learn about factors. What is that? Factors. This is very important one. Factors. What is factor? Actually the proper definition for factor is a number divides any number without leaving any remainder. The factor of a number divides any number without leaving a remainder. Okay, this is factor. So from your book exercise, from your book it is given very easily to you understand you. It is how it is given, you know. You have seen that 15 is a multiple of 1, 3, 5 and 15. 15 is a multiple. Now I am going to take 15. Is a multiple of 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay. And if you divide 15 by these numbers, this 1, this 3, this 5, this 15. See, 15 by this number 1. 15 ones are 15, balance 0. No remainder. No remainder. So, 1 is a factor of 15. Okay. So, a number divides the number without leaving any remainder. That number is a factor of this number. So 1 is a factor of 15. Now check 3. 15 by 3. 5 3s are 15, balance 0. So 3 also a factor of 15. Check next number. 15 by 5. 3 5s are 15, balance 0. 5 also a factor of 15. What about 15? Yes, 15 also. 15 by 15. 1 15 is 15, balance 0. 15 also a factor of 15. So our concept is, what is the concept? A number divides a number without leaving any remainder is called factor. The number divides a number without leaving any remainder is called factor. So factor of a number divides a number without leaving a remainder. Okay. Look, one more number also I am going to take. Look, 15 by 6. 1 6 is 6. 2 6 are 12. balance 3, it is showing a balance. So 6 is not a factor of 15. 6 is not a factor of 15. Okay, so factor means it should divide the number without leaving any remainder. Understood? Next, now I am going to explain the relationship between factors and multiples. Okay, factors and multiples relation. What is the relation between factors and multiples? You know, 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 and 5 are factors of 15. You know, this 3 and 5 are factors of 15. Here, 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. Understood? Look here. 3 and 5 is a factor of 15, because if we are dividing this 15 by 5 or 3, you will not get any remainder. Remainder will be 0. So 3 and 5 are factors of 15. 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. And one more example. 8 7s are 56. Same. 8 and 7 are factors of 56. 56 is a multiple of 8 and 7. 56 is a multiple of 8 and 7. Okay, one more also. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 and 9 are factors of 18. Here, 18 is a multiple of 2 and 9. 18 is a multiple of 2 and 9. Okay, look here. 3 5s are 15. 3 and 5 are factors. 8 7s are 56. 8 and 7 are factors. 2 9s are 18. 2 and 9s are factors. So 18 is a multiple of 2 and 9. 56 is a multiple of 8 and 7. 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. This is the relationship between factors and multiples. And next one, finding factors. Finding factors. How to find a factor? If I am giving any number to you, how can you find the factor? How can you find the factors of that number? With a small example. 8. Okay, finding factors. Find the factors of 8. Factors of 8. 1 is a factor of all number. 1 is a factor of all number. So 1 will divide 8 without leaving any remainder. Yes, 8 by 1. 8 1 is 8. Balance 0. So 1 will divide 8 without leaving any remainder. 1 is a factor of 8. Next, check with 2. 8 by 2. 4 2s are 8. Balance 0. So 2 will divide 8 without leaving any remainder. 2 also a factor of 8. Okay. Next, check with 3. 8 by 3. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. Balance 2. It is showing a balance. So 3 is not a factor of 8. 3 is not a factor of 8. Check 4. 8 by 4. 2 4s are 8. Balance 0. So 4 is also a factor of 8. Okay. Look here. 4 is half of 8. 4 is half of 8. After the half, you no need to check any number. After the half, the number itself. After the half, the number itself. So 4, then 8. So here we can understand 1 is a factor of all number and the number itself also a factor. Look here. Now we are going to find we found the factors of 8. 1 is a factor of all numbers. 1 is a factor of all number and the number itself also a factor. Okay. One more question. Next, factors of 24. Factors of 24. By multiplication method also we can find. First, by division method we found. Now I am going to find by multiplication method. You know, 1 into 24 is equal to 24. 1 24s are 24. So 1 is a factor of 24. Okay. and 2 into 12, 24. So 2 and 12 also factor of 24, and 3 8s are 24. 3 and 8 also a factor. 4 6 are 24. Okay, so this is by multiplication method, but better by division method. That is good. This is by multiplication method. Look here, numbers are changing now. 1 24, then 2 12, 3 8 6. Numbers are changing, so better find by division method. You know, 1 is a factor of all number. 2, check 2. 1 by 1 number we can take. Okay, check 2. Yeah, 2 will divide. 2 will divide 24 because 24 is even number. All even numbers should be divided by 2. Okay, 24 is even number. 2 is a factor of 24. Then 3, yeah. 3 also. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Okay, so 3 also a factor of 24. Check 4. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Yeah, 6 4s are 24. So 4 is also a factor of 24. Check 5. Table 5, 24 is not coming. Table 5, 24 is not coming. Okay, 5 5s are 25. So 5 is not a factor. We can check here. No problem. 24 by 5. 4 5s are 20. Balance 4. Balance is showing. So 5 is not a factor of 24. Check 6. 6 is a factor. Okay. 7 is not a factor. Okay. And 8 is a factor because look here. 24 by 8. 3 8s are 24. Balance 0. So 8 is a factor. Okay. And 9 not a factor. And 10 no. 11 no. 12. 1 12 is 12. 2 12s are 24. Okay. Look here. 24 by 12. 2 12s are 24. So 12 is also a factor of 24. And 12 is half of 24. 12 is half of 24. After half, the number itself. After half, the number itself. So one more time I will explain how to find the factors. Factors means divides a number without leaving any remainder. There is two methods we can find the factors. One is by multiplication method. Another one is by division method. But better use division method. Because why? By multiplication method, there is a chance to leave some numbers. By multiplication method, there is a chance to leave some numbers. Better check 1 by 1 number. Check with 1. 1 is a factor of all numbers, so no need to divide anything. Leave it. Okay. Check with 2. If it is even number, 2 is a factor. Check with 3. Divide. Okay. For example, one more question. One more also I will give for your understanding. Look, 36. Find the factors of 36. Okay, first we can say 1 is a factor of 36. Yes, 1 is a factor of all number. 1 is a factor of all number. Okay, next 2 is a factor. How can I find this is 2? 2 is a factor because 36 even number. All even numbers are divided by 2 without leaving any remainder. So 2 is a factor. 3 is a factor or not? Check by division. 36 by 3. 1 3 is 3. 6. 2 3s are 6. 0. Showing balance 0. So 3 is a factor. Okay. Check 4. Next 4. 36 by 4. 9 4s are 36. 0. So 4 is also a factor. If look here, 9 4s are 36, balance 0. 4 is a factor. 9 also a factor. Sure. Look here also. 12 3s are 36. 12 3s are 36. 3 is a factor. 12 also a factor. I will find here. No problem. For your understanding. Look, keep it in your mind. 9 and 12. Okay. Also a factor. How it came? Look, 4. Next, 5. 36 by 5. 7 5s are 35. Balance 1. 5 is not a factor. Next, check 6. 36 by 6. 6 6 are 36. Balance 0. 6 is a factor. Then 7 is not a factor because already 7 5s are 35. 7 is not a factor. 8 will not come. Okay, check 9. 36, 9, 4 9s are 36, balance 0. I told you, no, 9 will come. Okay, so 9 is a factor. Okay, then not 10, not 11, 12 is a factor. Okay, after 12 you know, look, 36 by 12, 1 12 is 12, 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 36, balance 0. Okay, so 12 is also a factor. Then 13 will not come, 14 will not come, 15 will 14 will not come, 15 also will not come, 16, 17, 18, yeah, 18 will come. Okay, 18 is a factor of 36. 18 is 36 by 18. 118 is 18, 2 18s are 36. Okay, 18 will come. After 18 is half of 36, after half 36 the number. So like that you have to find the factors. So better to find with division method. This is factors and multiples. And factor tree. Next is factor tree. Factor tree. How to find make this factor tree? Find the factor tree of 6. Find the factor tree of 6. Write 6 like this. You know, 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 is a prime number, 2 also prime number, then stop factorization. 3 2s are 6. Here you have to put one symbol. Not only this, if it is 12, 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. This 4 also you have to factorize. 2 2s are 4. And this 3 you have to bring down. Look, the last should be all prime numbers. 2, 2 and 3. Prime number, next video I will explain. Okay, so just factor tree. What is factor tree? Simply do like this. 6 means 3 2s are 6. 12 means 4 3s are 12. So if it is prime composite number, again you have to split into 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Understood? So thanks for watching this video.